Bobo na naman ang Pilipinas. Ay nako. First of all, sino ba yung bobo na nagsabi na Sub-Sahara Africa ang south of Philippines? Tapos ang north daw ay Europe. So according to Numbeo.com, Manila and Quezon City are the top 2 most dangerous places in Southeast Asia. Taas ng crime index nyo. What part of Europe are you in? Poor daw kami. Yung nga naman Bisaya may mga pisting yaw. I know different taog mga political stance, pero this doesn't mean because we're Bisaya. Anyways, a lot of lawyers been talking about this. And kahit anuhin nyo pag-spin, unlawful yun na arrest. Which is back to my point of hypocrisy. You want human rights to be followed, yet mag-violate kayo ng human right just to get what you want. Tapos you always want to keep fighting for the West Philippine Sea. Kasi para sa Pilipino daw yun. Yet, when your kapwa Filipino gets abducted, a Filipino that served you for how many years, that kept crime low, yet you let him go to the bodies of foreign countries? No cases can be linked in Digong here in the Philippines. Also, an 80-year-old man with no medical. Yes, there may be unlawful acts during that time. But if you do your research, a lot of policemen was detained and was put to jail because of their abuse. So why? Tapos lastly, may nagabash pa kay Kitty Duterte kay bastos daw siya. Bro, kung pamilya na ko to, maskin barkada na mangiguro na ko to, makipagpatay ko ba? For translation purposes, I'll do everything for my family. I wish all the best for Pinas. Sana wala nang gulo, pero sana maayos to civil. Anyways, yeah, get out of the country. Nya dili man mi poor kay mi gapagpag.